Well, what can I say? Absolutely fantastic. I'll have to speak to Mr. McElraith and get some singing lessons and join our new pupils in the next year's performance. You will also have the opportunity to join our pupil council, where your voice and opinions will be welcomed, respected and listened to. We will make our school the best it can be. I'd like to remind our pupil council that we have our virtual meeting this Thursday, the 28th of May on Teams. I'll be looking forward to your thoughts and seeing you there. The best is yet to come.
Mrs Williams also informs us Positive Choices Week is just around the corner, kick-starting on Monday the 8th of June with creative art activities with Mr Swan. Keep your eye out on your Teams and Glow pages for more information and make sure you join in the fun. Different online activities will run throughout the week, so be sure to get yourselves involved. Thank you.
As our assembly draws to a close, we would like to ask you to send your ideas about what you would like to include in a future assembly. You can add us to your Teams page, email your teacher or put it on your blog. We'll look forward to hearing some of your good ideas. And now for our penultimate act, the one before last. I want you to join me in a drum roll of your very own for Mr Smith, who has volunteered last minute to do a Fairyland's Got Talent entry. Does he have your golden buzzer? Sing along at home if you know it.
So there you have it, our second virtual Onthank Assembly. Remember, look out for our Virtual Sports Week from next week and our Positive Choices Week from the 8th of June. Get your family involved in both of these whole school community activities. We also ask you to look out for our Head Teacher's Update from Mrs Wright. But for now, let's bring our assembly to a close and sing one of our favourites for all of our little minions out there. It's Happy. Remember, stay safe, stay home and stay together. Let's hear it for Onthank Primary. Hit it!